Hello, my beautiful friend. Thank you so much for joining me. Today is the first day of me being consistent on this platform. I have been putting this off for way too long, and today I decided that I was going to get a microphone and that I would speak from my heart. So a little bit about me. I have been in the beauty industry for 17 years. It's a really long time. And I happened to fall into it. I never saw myself in the beauty industry, however. Looking back, I am right where I'm meant to be. I am also a healer and intuitive. I communicate with spirit. I channel. And I'm also very passionate about healing and utilizing makeup, skincare, and meditation, all of these modalities to really heal as a whole, because I believe that beauty and healing starts from within. You cannot neglect one over the other. You have to treat yourself, especially when it comes to healing, as a whole. So I am so excited to be embarking on this journey. I'm putting my perfectionism as much as I can to the side, because that's really held me back and sharing what I need to share. I am excited to share with you about my company that I started when I was pregnant called Love Violet. It's really been an integral part of my healing journey, especially as I have stepped into the role of a mother. And while I have mothered this amazing soul, also mothered myself, and that has been truly the greatest gift that I never thought I would have. And it has made me brave enough to sit here today and have this conversation, because I realize that although the me pre-mom was an amazing person, she was also riddled with a lot of anxieties, including anxieties of becoming a mother because of my upbringing, which at some point I will get into. Right now, it's not the time. But motherhood has really launched me into my purpose, and all of the pieces have really, they fit in perfectly. And it's been the part in this journey of healing, because as I speak to my child, I am also speaking to myself, and I realize that I have to hold myself in a high esteem, that whatever I am doing, she's a sponge. She is internalizing everything, and I have to really make sure that I am okay, that I am nurtured, that I am taking care of myself, so that as she grows and she faces challenges, that she will be properly equipped to face those challenges. And I know that when she grows up, she will have her own things, and she'll have her own wishes and things that perhaps she'll look back on that I've done incorrectly. But I hope that she'll have a basis, the basis that I didn't have, to be a confident person and to use the tools that I have instilled in her, such as meditation and breathing and really being in your body and owning your intuition, all of the tools that I didn't have. So I am here to share with you that healing journey, the good, the bad, the ugly, the ups and downs, because life is not perfect. It was never meant to be perfect. And social media will have you fooled in believing that whatever you're doing is incorrect and that somebody else's life is so much better than yours. And that's all a lie. We are all struggling. We're all learning. We're all doing the best that we can. Some of us have reached heights quicker than others, but it doesn't mean that you can't do the same, that you cannot achieve greatness. And it doesn't mean that you can't heal if you're hurting. So if you will, please join me on this journey where we will be healing from within, where we will be uncovering our truths and stepping into our greatness together by using these wonderful tools that I have used. Can't wait for us to grow this community together, where we will flourish, where we will be radiant, abundant beings. Until next time.